Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public class in Java. First, understand that a public class is a fundamental building block, allowing access from any other class within your program. This broad accessibility makes it crucial for defining core components. Remember, each Java source file can contain only one public class, and its file name must exactly match the class name, including capitalization, ensuring proper compilation and execution. To begin, open your preferred text editor or integrated development environment. Type the public class keywords, followed by your desired class name. For instance, public class my first class. Immediately after the name, add a pair of curly braces. These braces, one opening and one closing, will encapsulate all the methods and variables that belong to your new class, forming its complete structure. Next, let's add the essential main method. This method serves as the starting point for your Java application. It must be declared precisely as public static void main string args. Inside its curly braces, you'll write the instructions your program will execute. For example, you might add system out println hello Java to display a message, making your class functional and ready to run. Finally, save your file. The file name must exactly match your public class name, followed by the Java extension. For example, if your class is my first class, save it as my first class. Java, open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the files directory, and compile it using the command javac my first class. Java, if successful, this will generate a class file ready for execution with Java my first class.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.